Kiyomi power horn dual tone snail horn, the best horn for car, which is very good sound and which is power horn. Now we are dealing this one from last 6 months, which is very good feedback from customers. This is the horn. I can show you. This is the horn coming. And now we are introducing new product in Kiyomi, which is Kiyomi premium quality in Kiyomi. See, have better quality and better sound one in Kiyomi premium quality. The same, both are in same. Both have. See, this is Kiyomi premium. I will show you. Kiyomi premium packet coming like this. Both are good quality. There are much better feedback from using customers. For your DM for order.